Dingo has over 30 years of experience in adjacent sectors, including mining, oil and gas, rail and wind. We support operations in over 6 continents, 260 sites and over 200,000 individual components. The Condition-Based Maintenance Pilot Project is a trial by the Australian Army, partnered with Dingo, to better understand the benefits of condition-based maintenance and the organisational change requirements to implement it. We're seeking to improve the performance of equipment through the implementation of condition-based maintenance. Defence has significant data, but it's unstructured and then unable to obtain the best use out of that data. In this pilot project, the utilisation of condition-based maintenance and our predictive maintenance software tracker are showing positive results in reducing maintenance liability and technical debt.
The Condition-Based Maintenance Pilot Project is a project that we're running with the Australian Army. It's on a select number of logistical vehicles, and it's us working with the Australian Defence Force to identify innovative ways they can streamline their maintenance.
Well, the short-term outcomes from the Condition-Based Maintenance Pilot Project is to better understand the benefits of condition-based maintenance and the organisational change requirements to implement it. The long-term benefits are to reduce the cost of ownership, to improve technical workforce efficiency and improve operational effectiveness of the fleets.
I was a mechanic in Defence. I swung spanners on vehicles that I probably shouldn't have because they'd been sitting around for 12 months and never driven anywhere. What I want to see is Defence take this on and change that mindset on maintenance. It's going to reduce the total cost of ownership. It's going to create workforce efficiencies. It's going to create operational effectiveness for their fleets. It'll make them ready, fit for fight when they need to be. Join us in revolutionising maintenance practices for the Australian Defence Force, enhancing reliability, efficiency and cost savings with Dingo Defence, proven condition-based maintenance and predictive maintenance solutions.